Alright guys, so going to the water park in a second. So, to avoid the kids kicking and screaming every other second, I'm going to go ahead and plug this guy in. Look at that. Plenty of room. Nothing out of the way. So, just plug in a few things. First off, for the adults, plug in the iPhone cables. Doesn't matter what port they go into. They're all 2.4, I believe it was. So either way. And now the ones for the kids. These are for the tablets. Anything that'll keep them quiet.
Oh my god! Oh my god, you're so mean! Oh my god!
Don't you want to get one of those 4-port chargers in your car? Thank God I did. See you guys.